friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to restart Acer laptop. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly what you need to do is that you have to move on the start button. So here is the start button, just click on the start button. After that you have to click on setting. Okay, sorry, I click on the not on the setting, on the another apps. Okay, on the Microsoft. So here is the setting, click on the setting. Okay, so when you click on the setting, here you have to click on the system. When you click on system, you will able to see this is the system. So from here you have to move on this recovery option. This is the recovery option, so click on the recovery. When you click on the recovery, this is the advanced start up. So here is the restart now. Okay, so if you want to restart your laptop, you can click on this option and your laptop will be restart successfully. Okay, you just need to click on restart now. Okay, so friends, if you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.